Biodiversity defined. Convention on biological diversity defines biodiversity as a variability.
More than just nature, how biodiversity boosts our health, food, and economy in different ways.
Diversity and ecosystem decline. Dr. Marie Queenie states, ecosystems are declining globally at a rate never seen in human history.
One health approach, protecting biodiversity to protect ourselves.
Abundance of microorganisms, plants, and animal species in the Philippines on Kwentong Kalikasan kasama si Kuya Lawrence.
A look back on COVID-19 pandemic on the health file.
Good day, Philippines! Good day, Davao City! This is the station that delivers news on the dot and speaks truth on the spot. I am Arisa Lamalan.
And I am May Secretaria. This is 24 News Broadcasting, live May 13, 2025. Join us as we unveil the stars that matter.
Convention on Biological Diversity defines biodiversity as a variability among living organisms. Let's hear the report from Jerlyn.
When we look around, we see beauty, and one of which is biodiversity.
Biodiversity or biological diversity is the vast variety of life on Earth. The Convention on Biological Diversity is a global treaty promoting its conservation, sustainable use, and the fair sharing of its benefits, aligning with the IUCN's view of biodiversity as the totality of genes, species, and ecosystems.
That's all we have here. Back to the studio.
More than just nature, let us know how biodiversity boosts our health, food, and economy in different ways. Let's hear the report from you.
Thank you. Biodiversity is more than just pretty landscapes and cute animals. It is the bedrock of our well-being. A diverse range of plants provides us with a wider selection of nutritious foods. Different species contribute to fertile soil, crucial for agriculture, and many of our life-saving medicines are derived from natural sources. That is all we have here. Back to the studio.
Diversity and ecosystem decline. An interview with Dr. Marie Queenie reveals the concerning truth of the decline in diversity and ecosystem. Here is Gabriel for the report.
Thank you for joining us today, Dr. Queenie. In your 2020 report, you have stated that the loss of diversity within and between species and ecosystems is happening at an unprecedented rate in human history.
It's an honor being here. The numbers are indeed staggering. As reported, we've witnessed a catastrophic loss of wildlife and plant life.
Dr. Marie Queenie states that biodiversity and ecosystem decline is mainly driven by human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and climate change.
Dr. Queenie, thank you for underscoring the urgency and the profound implication of biodiversity loss. Back to studio.
The One Health approach. Find out why experts say protecting biodiversity is essential for protecting ourselves. Let's hear Gian for the report.
Thank you, May. The One Health approach links human health, animal health, and environmental health. Research shows disrupting nature and losing species raises zoonotic disease risks by increasing human-wildlife contact. Protecting biodiversity is key for public health, as healthy ecosystems help limit outbreaks, as the United Nations Environment Program notes. Safeguarding biodiversity is important as it protects us from future pandemics. That is all we have here. Back to the studio.
Prepare to be surprised on Kwentong Kalikasan kasama si Kuya Lawrence. Kuya Lawrence, share with us how the Philippines boasts its rich ecosystem.
Mga kaibigan, alam niyo ba that our very own Philippines is a superstar when it comes to biodiversity? Despite its size, we are recognized as one of the few mega diversity of the planet. Think of the majestic Philippine eagle, our national symbol soaring in our skies, or the incredible colors and variety of fish in the coral triangle, a huge part of which is right here in our waters, from tiny tarsiers to the amazing rafflesia flower. The Philippines is a biodiversity hotspot. Wow, wow, wow!
Let's look back on the COVID-19 pandemic on the health part. Retrieve the file, Mark.
Alright, May, let's open up at the health file and take a look back at the COVID-19 pandemic. It feels like a lifetime ago, but also like it just happened. Everything changed so quickly, then one day, life was normal, and then the next, we were indoors, distance, and unsure of what tomorrow would bring. We lost a lot of time, routines, even loved ones, but we also gained perspective.
As the sun sets on on today's headlines, we remain committed to bringing you truth with integrity and stories with substance.
Thank you for spending your time with us. Stay informed, stay empowered, and stay safe.
Once again, I am Arisa Namalat.
And I am May Secretaria. This has been 24 News Broadcasting, clarity in every story.
Good night, Davao City. Good night,